Okay, today we are going to talk about the hierarchy of edges. And I'm going to say that again because I really want that to sink in. The hierarchy of edges. That means that there is an order from greatest to smallest, from hardest to softest. I want you to think about a progression of edges. And there are several different aspects of edges. But before I get into those, I just want to remind you some very important things about edges. Everything that you want to give definition to in a painting is happening along an edge, okay? So we've studied value and how value is relative, but if I just paint a certain color at a certain value over here, and I don't put anything next to it, and I paint another value and color over here, I can't see how they relate to one another. And they aren't even defined by anything until you put them together along an edge. And then all of a sudden, we can see whether one is lighter or darker or warmer and cooler. So likewise, color temperature is relative too. But there's no definition of that color, temperature, or of that value until you put them next to each other along an edge. So in that way, all values are defined by the edges that encircle them and the colors and values that abut them, right? And all color temperatures are defined in the same way by everything that surrounds them and shares an edge with them. Isolated, they really don't define or describe anything, right? It only happens in relationship to another color or another value.